What's up, it's Deja and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be styling this Beauty Forever hair really quick because I just use one product, so I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I use it. And yeah, because you guys have been wondering how I've been styling this hair, so let's get into this. This comes out in a foam, and I definitely like that because it's just easy to just make my hands go through, and it smells so bomb. And I used to use another product, this Giovanni product, but this is like not heavy at all, and neither is that Giovanni product. That product is fire, but this is just what I've been on lately. So I definitely drench my hair. I'm one of those girls. I feel like it just comes out better. I don't know. I love this hair. I can say that. I do love this hair. It's just the most cute curl ever, and I usually don't like curly hair. Obviously, you guys know, you guys follow this channel. I be wearing straight hair all the time, but this is such cute hair, like just bomb. No complaints, definitely no complaints. I definitely try to coat it all with this product because more, and I'm just gonna put it like this, like just all over, finger comb it, and you look like a wet dog. But it's a look, sis.
So now next side.
And I just use a Denman brush. I don't know if these are still popular anymore. I don't know what's going on, but sis, this is literally what I do. And I just put this in here. I know you guys were like, you made this whole video and you only use one product? Yes, sis. Literally, people ask, and like I always tell people, like, I literally only use one thing, or like I'll be like, it's so simple, and like people do not like listen to me, so it's like I have to make a video. Real brief, you know? So wet right now, but for me, you gotta get down and dirty before you get bomb and curly. That was catchy. So boom, same energy, the whole head. And I lost my lip gloss, and I honestly don't feel complete, but it's whatever, man. I guess this shit. I'm like so tired of losing lip gloss. Like, it's literally irritating me now. Like, I don't know where I put it, but you know what? I'm not in the mood to fight today, sis. I'm just not. So boom. Make sure your whole head is drenched, sis. So boom. Everybody like, is that too much? But you guys know how like the frontal is always like nappier than the rest of the hair. So I put hella like product like on the actual frontal, cause sis, the frontal be trying you. So, and my baby hairs aren't done, so nobody come for me. I literally just plopped this thing on and I'm about to do my baby hairs right now. So this is the wet look, and I'm gonna come back when it is dry for you guys to see what this curl product just really did for me. This hair is about this long, so it's about like 24 inches. It's pretty cute. No, I mean, it's really cute. I'm not even gonna say pretty cute. It's hella cute. I love this hair. And I'm just gonna get some more of this. Just put it. Okay. Put it at the ends. And when it gets like more damp, I put like a serum, but you guys are gonna see when I come back. So